Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. I thank you so much for joining me today. So you probably clicked on this video because you want to hear a tip about backdrops. So my tip today about backdrops is make sure you get the right length. Okay, so when I started out, I just was buying up. I like the sequin drapes, and I just was buying them up. And I was getting like 6 feet, 7 feet. And then like as I started being in this business longer and longer, those are perfect for like the dessert table or a candy table. But it doesn't work for pictures, because think about it. You have people that are over 6 feet tall. So if you get a 6 feet drape and you try to use that, you try to make a 6 foot backdrop, it's not gonna work. You're gonna have some people taller than that. The same with 7 feet. It's like you're not gonna have a lot to work with. So get the right length by your first choice should be 10 of these. Okay, so this ruler is a foot. So you want to make sure, especially for your picture backdrops, that you get at least 10 feet long drapes. Okay, so sometimes it's not always possible. Let's say you're looking for a color or something like that. So I would say 9 feet, 8 feet, they're okay. And I'm going to insert a picture to show you a backdrop that kind of had like different lengths, and I was able to make it work. But you want to try to stick with the 10 feet. So for now, I only buy 10 feet drapes, and that will work for any, like even if you're using it as just a background behind a head table, behind a dessert table, it will work because it's 10 feet. And then like if you want to use it for pictures, you can use it for pictures. Look for 120 inches. 120 inches is 10 feet long, okay? So I probably need to I'm gonna get my calculator. I'm gonna do some calculations and I'll be back. Okay, so if you're getting, sometimes it'll say 9 feet, sometimes it might just say 108 inches. Sometimes it might say 8 feet, or you might just see 96 inches. So what you wanna do, if they give you inches and you're not sure how many feet that is, you're gonna divide it by 12, okay? So that is a formula that you can use. So today's tip again is make sure you get the right length for your drapes. All right, thank you so much for joining me today. If this tip was useful for you, make sure you click the like button. Thank you. Until I see you next time. Bye.